Okay. Okay. No, do you know what I have forgotten to do completely? Give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. I am here. How is everyone? How was everyone's weekend? Hi, SK. Hello. Okay. How's it been going, guys? Are we ready for this week? I'm quite excited. SK, I didn't see you New York, did I? On Friday? No. I can't remember. Were you there? No, I don't think you were. I got a strategy. I'm quite excited. Let's see how it goes. So it's similar strategy. It's just changed my 1-to-1R to a 2R, which helps. It helps quite a bit in the long run. Marked terribly. There we go. Marked a little bit of the liquidity going on here. Okay, so far. I know I can't get overly excited about this. Oh, thanks, SK. That's so sweet. I think it's the ocean glow. I actually jumped in the ocean yesterday. It's why my hair's also looking a little extra curly. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. But that makes sense. What was I saying? I went off topic. That's what I was doing. As usual, let's wait for opening to see which direction this market is headed. I did not mark things on ES. I should probably do that quick. Yeah. Except most appear to have been taken already. Just gives me a bit of an idea. There we go. Of where the liquidity is going to be. Ooh. Okay. Thank you. I know, I apparently have, how do I put this? My face has subtitles. which means it's very obvious what I am thinking because my face speaks volumes. So my friends have to sometimes remind me that my face is not on mute if I'm out around. Like I said, I'm very much an introvert. I don't speak a lot, but my face does. So if you ever want to know what I'm thinking, just look at my facial expressions because they tend to scream. And I have no control over it. It's like those people who have no control over what they say. It just comes out. It's kind of like that. It's not a bad thing to have. You always know what I'm thinking. It's not a great thing to have because everyone always knows what I'm thinking. Which is not ideal, but it is what it is. So let us see now. We have 2 minutes to go until opening. Let's see. Friday's opening was actually rather, like, at least there was, how do I put this? There was some volume to it. There was some momentum. There was some oomph. There we go. Oomph is a good one. There was some oomph to it on Friday. Like I said, I didn't give it much of a chance on Thursday because Thursday, obviously, it was PPI. Yes, Thursday was PPI. So, shame. I didn't give it a great chance on Thursday. But now, let's see. I know some people just don't even bother trading on Mondays. Apparently, Mondays aren't always the best day to trade. I haven't had an issue. Last week, Monday was a really good week for me. Before I made my life complicated. No, I lied. It was not last week, Monday. It was that first week of August. Yes, it was. Anyways, I'm sorry. I'm just rambling on. How was everyone's weekend? What did you guys get up to? I can tell you now for a fact, I just ate too much. Oh my gosh, I just ate way too much this weekend. Yeah. I splurged a little bit. I was like, yeah, fine, let's just go for it. Oh no, why? What happened? Do you have to go beat someone up? Was it the market? Did the market make you cry? I wish I could beat up the market. I think a lot of people would beat up the market if they could. So what happened, SK? You know what? Yeah, I get it. I really get it. Life is hard, but that's also not good. You need to go out or run or a walk. Walk is good, or a cycle. I don't know. I'm not a fan of cycling, but I know a lot of people love riding their bikes. I would much rather go for a walk, so I just take my dog and I go for a walk, and I feel a little bit better about that. A little bit. Oh, it's opening. Look, it's 9. Oh, it's not. What time is it there for you? It's 9 a.m. for me. Then do you know what? Sorry, can you see I'm now thinking about it a little bit more? Life is bloody hard. I'm trying not to swear. Bloody is close. So, life is bloody hard. So sometimes if you have to sit and cry under your pillow and eat junk food just to cope for like the 2 days, because I feel like weekends are escape. Yeah, weekends are escape time. You can just do whatever you want on the weekends. Then you do that. It makes you feel a little bit better. The junk food makes me feel better until like today, not so much. Now I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so fat. But then I just go for a run and I feel a bit better. That's okay. Or I take my dog for a walk. or I go ride the horses. But you know, yeah. Oh, it's been 3 years. Oh, amazing. Okay. I don't know if it's someone walking past or if the monkeys are back. The monkeys were here early this morning, driving my dog absolutely mental. Okay. We appear to now want to go bullish for now, not... Okay, I'm gonna wait and see if proper... Oh my gosh. It's been 3 years that you've been trading and you still aren't profitable. What strategy do you use, SK? Do you have a set of rules that you follow? I'm trying to think about what's been slowly... I mean, I'm not profitable yet either. So don't take me for my word. But what I see tends to work is if you have some rules. I mean, there's number one. Come on. We gotta get you a good strategy that works for you, that makes sense for you. I think that's number one. After that, things should be a little bit easier, should. Okay, let's see. So, you need a strategy that works for you. I think that's number one. Number two, give yourself like a set of rules. Like, for example, I cannot trade yet because I give myself 5 minutes. Yeah, see, so there. Write out some rules or type up some rules that you can maybe have like a sticky note somewhere. And this is where I found, because last week I really tried hard at working on this. The discipline. Oh my gosh. For me, the discipline is so difficult, and you would think it's easy. It's really not. For me, it was the most challenging thing just to stick to the rules. And like you said, with your yes, you want to overtrade. Tell yourself you are allowed to have, let's say, 3 winning trades or 3 losses, and then you're done for the day. Like, done. Like, turn off your computer and walk away, done. Okay. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, so I am allowed to place a trade. Very much going... And this right here is why I wait 5 minutes. Sometimes things can happen. Like this. Would have been a losing trade. See, so write down some rules. So like I said, mine is wait 5 minutes before after opening, before I'm allowed to put in a trade. Did I English? Yes. Yeah, range is very teeny tiny today. I'm kind of waiting for a good setup. Let's see if one comes around. That may have been better, but yeah. No, I trade NQ. Was this just a fake out? Are we still bearish? I'm waiting to see if we're still bearish or bullish, so. Probably. Oh. Maya, you fool. There you go. Oh yeah, that would have been a good one. But that was too soon, so it's fine. Waiting to see. Yeah, I think we're now going back to being bearish. Yeah, I think it's... If we look at a higher time frame... Oh, we're definitely still bearish. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. Yep. Bearish. Cool. Thank you. So now... Shoot, might be too late. What is it doing? Didn't take the liquidity yet. This wick down is a little bit nerve-wracking. Okay. I might be too late. So I was doubting things. Yep. Too late. Or am I? Hello. Oh my goodness. Hello. Yep, I think I'm too late for that one. Man. See, okay. That's the third thing. Is when the setup is there, be bold with it. Which I was not there. I started to doubt. Which means I may have lost this trade. Let's see. Might come back in one more time. And, you know, the fact that it's bouncing off makes me a little bit nervous. Missed me by a point. Okay, bye. No. He wants butt squishes. Gosh. He's lucky he's cute. Okay, so. SK, sorry, I got kind of distracted. Try have some rules for yourself. Like I said, I have a few rules that I try my best to stick to. Yeah. I got distracted. So, all I can say is have a set of rules for yourself. I also try and I either win 3R and leave it, or have 3 losses and I'm done for the day. That tends to be my rule. Ah, thank you. I think. Yes, is that a good thing? I don't know, some people really don't like their sisters, so I'm going to say it's a good thing. Well, I was tagged in and now it looks like it's a shift. Either this is going to go down or it's going to go up and tag me up. There's literally only 2 options with this one. Well, I guess there's literally only 2 options with any trade here, but this one's a little less decisive right now. It's literally playing on the line. Okay. Got a little bit of a down. It didn't take any, I mean, it took this liquidity here. Cool, this might be a long trade. To either tag me out or be a win. We shall soon see. There's no news or anything today, right? Or is there? Cool, I think. Let's see. Oh my gosh, and why are these so teeny tiny? Like, how big is this? Three and a half points. Oh no. Okay, buyers 1. Or did that? Yes, buyers 1. Shoot. It comes back down. To break even. Come on. What is going on? Are we just climbing now? No, it's respecting the fair value gap. That's what it's doing there. Nah, it's gonna take me out. still kind of respecting the 50% of the fair value gap on ES. Interesting. Let's see. Hold it. And now is it gonna go down? Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. Huh. Hmm. I feel like this is a breakup structure, which I'm now in the middle of. Probably. Look down. Up. Now going back up. Should close, but I've done it before where I've done that and then it went down for a win and I did feel like a complete fool. Okay, no, I've made up my mind. I'm not going to be closing or doing anything. I'm just going to be hands off. If it goes up, then it goes up. Just because I said that it's going to go up now. Just because I said that. Here we go. And... I think it's safe to say that the buyer's won now. Kind of respecting the fair value gap for a tiny bit. I think it's gonna... There we go. How did that not tag me out? There we go. Okay, now it tagged me out. Okay, so that was not what I wanted, but let's see, now that there was a bit of a shift up, it was interesting. And it's respecting here, respecting here. We have had a break there. Oh, this does not give it a lot of room, does it? Huh. Still haven't broken the highs on ES. Yeah, but we definitely... Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Maybe, it kind of looks like it. I think, wait. This might be a little bit of a break of structure. Let's see what 15 looks like. Okay, 15 obviously. That would take a while to see. What a big candle, okay. Go back to 1. Nyam. At 9:09. Oh, this one, yep. It rejected. Was it this order block? Yeah. Tapped into this order block and just went up, and then it kind of broke structure after that. I'm waiting to see if it actually breaks up here. I think if it actually breaks up here, then we know there's a break of structure. Let's see, I'll make a little doodabby. Or else it could still just be... I kind of want to say faking it. I don't know if faking it is the right word, but... Yeah, I really thought it was going to maybe mess around a little bit and then melt for all this liquidity sitting here, but apparently not. Yeah, I did. Took a loss there because there appears to have been a little bit of a... Well, I'm waiting to see if there is a break of structure. So really have to trade with the markets here. So I came, tagged me in, messed around a little bit, and then it actually took me out there. Still waiting just to see if there is actually going to be anything. And you know what? And this is something I'm going to remind you of, SK, as well. Not trading is still trading if you're working on your discipline. Is this it? Is it going to decide what it's doing now? See, like now, part of me really wants to place my trade, my setup. However, I want to see if it's actually going to break structure or not, and what the plan is. Because if you're not trading with the market, you're going to lose, right? It makes no sense to trade against the market. Watch it is, it's going to tap into where I would have put my trade, and it's going to go up and it would have been a win, and I'm going to feel really annoyed. But so there would have been my entry. Haha. Let's see. Am I gonna feel annoyed, or am I gonna feel proud of myself for a little bit? It kind of looks like I'm gonna feel annoyed with myself. Little tap in there. Oh my gosh. Or am I? 4, 3, 2, 1. Seriously. No, that would have been a loss. Okay. I was curious about something. Okay, well, let's see if this is going to be what I want it to be. If not... To be fair, I don't even know what I want it to be right now. I just want it to have a little bit of structure. Can we please have a little bit of structure? Whilst I cannot trade if there is no structure. Literally, those are my rules. If there's no structure, no trade. When there's structure, we are good to go. Oh my gosh, the price action is also not great today. Okay, well. See? So if I had placed that, that would have been a second loss. Can't do that, that's ridiculous. How to detach from anything? What do you mean, like emotions? Oh. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Finally, it's made a decision. Oh, hi! So, I'm from... Hi, Eric. Sorry. Hey, Eric, how you doing? I'm actually from South Africa. So, I do both London and New York. Well, I'm new to London. This is only my third time trying to trade London. So no, it's just something new. So I'm actually used to trading New York. You're right. The price action in New York, much better. I'm just trying something new and seeing what the difference is. But there is a very, very, very big difference. Quite a massive difference, if I do say so. It's quite hectic. But at least it's decided what it finally wants to freaking do. So right now it is 9:32 a.m. in the morning. Damn it, didn't come tag me in. But at least we definitely have no, man. No, that's fine. fix that later. At least we definitely have some market structure going on now. So yes, right now it is 9:32 a.m. and New York Open is 3:30 p.m. for me. Yeah, so it's 9:30 in the morning. So quite nice. It's not too early, not too late. But I do also trade New York. I do trade New York times as well. Shoot. Wait, that's supposed to not be 19. 18. Confirm. Oh my gosh. Eric, why are you awake? Do you like have insomnia or something? Yeah? Because oh my gosh, what? And Easy Myth, is it 12:30 in the morning or 12:30 in the afternoon? Like, do you guys not like sleep? Is sleep just something that you do not enjoy? Why are you guys awake? What's going on? Yeah, it's why there's this red. It's actually the sun. I have red curtains, so the sun does this whole red light thing, but it's fine. Oh man, it missed me. I can still follow it a little bit, I guess. But oh wait. Took that liquidity properly now. There is still more. But there might be a little bit of a shift. Let's just watch. Nope, apparently not. And 14. Come on. Tag me in at least. I know it took there. Didn't wick down too badly though. Okay. Anyways. Hello, hello. Yes, kind of. Eric, you just like watching the market. At 2:30 in the... Do you not like sleep? Like, sleep is pretty good. Oh, wait. Let's rather ask this. Is trading what you do full time? Maybe that's a better question to ask. Is trading your full-time thing? Or not really? Trade Delicious, how are you doing? And whose strategy? Yes, it's well, it's one that my coach helped me with. So it's pretty basic actually, but it works for my brain, and it's a 2-hour win rate for now. I mean, maybe later on we can increase it if it's successful enough. Then it could be a higher win rate. No, come on. Okay, now you can melt down. I do know it took the liquidity here though. So either this is going to be successful or not. Let's wait and see. And very much now it's hands off. Let it do what it's got to do. And hopefully it does what it's got to do in my favor. That would be awesome, thanks. Let's see. And oh, okay. So you're in a long right now. Is that what I'm hearing? Whereas I'm in a short right now. Damn it. Looks like you were correct with the long. Use 814. Oh, wow. Okay. What the heck? Okay. Okay, now I'm completely out. I was not completely out yet. If it melts now, I'm gonna be very grumpy, but... if it melts properly now. Oh my gosh, I might call it there. I'm gonna be like, I'm done. I'm done for the day. Yep. Oh, I see. Oh, damn it. So you are in now and you are still fine. And you're gonna be good to go. Oh, hello! Welcome from the Philippines. That's so cool. How's it going? Nice. So, I am using a... oh, gosh. Should I replay? That would have been a good one to do. Oh well. Oh, nice. That is so cool. I'm using my own strategy. I just did it like a chop. Except these markets... they're basically choppy, just higher range. We haven't really moved that much since opening, which means it's not great. So let's see, I'm gonna see if it stops doing this. If not, I might just leave it at those two for today. I'm gonna leave this like this. Let's see if this would have worked. If it would have worked, I'm gonna not be the happiest human being today, but that's... it is what it is. It is what it is. Anyways, how's it going in the Philippines? That's so cool. I love it. What do you trade? Are you gold, NQ, ES? What's your... how do I put this? What's your pick of the poison? No, that sounds bad. That sounds very negative. Oh my gosh. Sigh. Anyways. Yeah. I trade only 1 minute. Why? Yep. That's why I might be taking a step back. I mean, I still have trading this afternoon to do, but let me have a look-see. I was very tempted to place in another trade here, which looks like it might have been a good idea. But anyways, I'm trying really hard with my discipline, Eric. I'm trying really hard. The discipline I find is, okay, as you will come to realize, discipline is the most difficult part, and revenge trading, oh my gosh, do you know how often I want to just be like, no, no. So that's basically what happened last time. Yes. When I blew my account last time, it was because of revenge trading. It wasn't working, so I said, oh, screw it, and then I did something else, and then it obviously got me. Because I very much started to revenge trade. So yeah, see, even with this one, it looks like it might be wrong, might still melt. I'm hoping liquidity provider, I'm hoping for your sake it goes down now. It kind of looks like it. Are you still in this trade, by the way? Liquidity provider. Yeah, for me, the 1 minute just seems, I don't know, it's just a little bit more, I want to say fun. And that's a weird thing to say. It's just quicker, go, 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 because I know that's a little bit, I guess it's like scalping in a way. You never know, it might shift down now. It might. Just because I said that. I mean, you're still in this thing. Going. Okay, well, now you're out. Sorry. Yeah. I don't know, this market, as much as it's moving, I feel like it's really choppy at the same time. Like I said, we haven't really moved. Where's 9 AM? Oh my gosh, where's 9 AM? There we go. We haven't really moved that far out of range since opening. We haven't broken any highs or any lows. So maybe it's just not a good day to trade London, and I will come back in the afternoon and try again then. But until then, you guys are stuck with me. I'm gonna stick around and see if we get anything better, if it actually decides that it wants to have a little bit more of market structure. A little bit more of a decent market structure. That was English, right? That, yeah, it's close enough. Close enough to English. And now it's going down. Or is it? There we go. Just want to see something quickly. Want to see if it comes past here. With how it looks today, it almost looks like you can put your entry here and your stop loss at the top here, and then this is let's see. Anyways, yeah, no, the audacity, I can't believe it. Yeah, Chop Shop is being very nice. This is ridiculous. So like I said, maybe it's just a day where I don't put any trades in because it's choppy and it's just doing whatever the hell it wants, and that's terrifying. I don't really want to be caught in the middle of that. Well, I was twice and it screwed me, so lesson learned, don't do that. Yeah, that's exactly. That should just be my life motto. It is what it is. It is what it is, and we just keep going with it. Well, there's still this afternoon. What time is it there in the Philippines, by the way? Oh, wow. Okay. Cool. So this is your usual time to be trading. Hey Diablo, how you doing? So do you trade yourself or not really? So I'm taking a break from even bothering watching what's going on until it can decide what it wants to do. Amazing. So I also trade New York. So I'm South African. Hello, hello. For those of you that did not know. Yeah. I trade New York Market Open as well. I've only actually been trading London Market Open the past... My first day was last week, Thursday. Thank you. Oh, flip. So, what do you trade? Do you trade gold, or what's your pick, I guess? Because yeah, like I said, I'm doing NQ. Also, there we go. Doing my MNQ, just while I'm still figuring things out, as we can see here. Anyways. Hey Diablo, that's amazing. Welcome, welcome. I'm Maya. Hello. So I am from South Africa. Where are you from, Diablo? How's it going? And how long have you been trading? I'm gonna call you JPH, is that fine? Yeah? Awesome. How has it been how long have you been trading for? So I have actually not been trading for very long. I only started basically beginning of this year, but I'm still like a baby, which is why it's Teach Maya Trading, because if you guys have any tips or tricks or just to learn from everyone is amazing. Wait for a break. Yeah, no, 100%. That's exactly. Can you see? I'm just chilling. I'm waiting to see. Again, it's one of my rules. SK. One of the rules is let there be a proper market structure and then go from there, because right now this is ridiculous. Sure, 7 years. Amazing. Wow. Hey, SK, does that make you feel a little bit better? It's so difficult. And people think trading is like quick, easy way to... No, it's not. It is not a quick, easy way to make money. This is like dedication and hard work and constant learning. Oh my gosh. Oh. Does it make you feel a little bit better, SK? It takes a while. It's not, I wish. It would be so cool if it was an overnight, boom, look at that. You figured it out. But it's not. Like anything in life, it's hard work and you have to practice. And like I said, you have to be disciplined. What, out of curiosity, maybe this is a... I don't know, this might be a tough question. Maybe there is no answer to it. But what was the turning point? Was it just that you found your strategy? Was it that you were just more disciplined? What? Yeah. What was the turning point? What if you get like a rubber band and you do when you really want to, you just snap the band and you go, no, don't do that. It's really hard. I know it's really hard. It's where discipline is a thing. SK, what else do you do? Do you work or run or something? Yeah. I'm coming to realize that those are it. That tends to be the two things. You work. Oh, awesome. Okay. Do you go to gym at all? No? Yes, maybe. Like theoretically, this is very theoretical. Trading is easy. Again, very, very theoretical. If you stick to your discipline or your rules or whatever, and you have your strategy, then you are A for a win. Other than that, then yeah, then you're just throwing money away, basically. Oh, interesting. Hey Brian, how you doing? I'm assuming it's Brian. Yeah. Took you 4 years. Okay, so what I hear is that I mustn't be too hard on myself because, oh my gosh, sometimes I really feel like a complete failure. Hey, Devante, how you doing? I like that. Yes, trading is the hardest way to earn easy money. I love that. You just want to establish your business. Ah. I don't know if you want to answer this, but what business is it? You don't have to answer. Just curiosity. Maybe, you know, maybe we could help. Right? It's why I started this channel, is to find a community of people that really want to be helpful and actually, you know, be able to discuss things like this and help each other out. Because on a lot of streams I feel like everyone just really judgy. It's really mean. Oh, interesting. And not taking off yet. Diamante, how's it going? Aren't you on holiday? Aren't you supposed to be on holiday? I sound like a bit of a teacher right now. Aren't you supposed to be on holiday? Aww. Oh no. So you're not going to be able to trade, or what's the plan? Gold bars. Do people even have gold bars anymore? Like, I know for a fact my one friend's mother does. Sorry, that was a long-winded story for no real reason, but I know she does. Oh, Diamante, I'm so happy for you. Yay! Oh my gosh. Yeah. There we go. So only traders that lose money, I mean. That's actually pretty valid. Boom Banana. Hi. I love that. You trade NQ as well. Hello, welcome, welcome. I put 2 trades in. Did not work. Mostly because I now have realized that there's no real market structure going on today. Like, no. Up until there it was still bearish. Now it's just chip-chopping away. Having a really annoying freaking time. You do. You have a very cool name. Boom Banana. I love it. You could make a song out of that. You could make like a viral TikTok song or something. I don't know. I don't care too much about that stuff, to be honest, but you could. I may look young, but I am old on the inside. I'm like an old granny. Hey, do we have... Nope. Never mind. I got excited for a second. I thought we actually had some movement. But perhaps not. Okay, so just took some liquidity and now it's still gonna mess around? Why is the market acting like there was news or something? Like, it's just bouncing. There was no news, right? I didn't miss anything. I really thought there was no news today. Weird. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I was like, what? Oh my gosh, I hope it's none at all this week. Oh my gosh, it would be amazing if there's no news this week. After last week. Last week was ridiculous, both with CPI and then PPI. But anyways, it was a little bit hectic. Well, what's your definition of a community? Maybe that's a good question. But if you are asking if there's a bunch of like-minded people who I think are amazing, yes. Oh, Discord. No. No, I do not have Discord yet. But it's in the works. I'm gonna start it there. Discord is in the works. It's on the list of things to do. Believe me, I have a list like this long. But first things first is to get the trading up there and going and getting some decent things. Anyways, Boom Banana, how's it going? How long have you been trading? The Brian or Brain? I feel like it's Brain. Oh my gosh. So I literally recently moved to the coast. I have been like an inland baby my whole life. Or bush baby. Ooh, 4 years, nice. And how's it going? Profitable, still figuring out strategies, or are you winning? Oh, and how's it going? How is the Discord going? Is it working? Is it nice? But sorry, I got distracted. So you'll see I have some ADHD. A little bit. just a little bit of ADHD. Anyways, I moved down to the coast. Break your strategy. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah, that's a good point. I'm trying. That's not bad. That's really good. 16 people is good. That's really decent. I mean, it's not like I have like tons of people yet. One day I'll be big. No. If I'm not, I'm not. Like I said, I'm here for the like-minded people and the love that everyone spreads. That sounds weird. You get what I mean, right? The wisdom everyone has and getting to know like-minded people, because I'm very much an introvert. Believe it or not, with how much I'm talking right now. In person, complete introvert. I am very much like, to myself. I've come to realize that a lot of traders are also introverts. Correct me if I am wrong. With the name Boom Banana, maybe you are not so introverted. Maybe you are more out there, go get them, which is awesome. I am very much like, he was, I don't think he is here anymore. His name, well, on the stream, liquidity provider. Yeah, he has been helping me. Yeah. So he helps me with strategies and keeping it simple. Otherwise, I do my own. Like when it comes to my rules, I try and keep my rules. I found the rules for myself, and I just try and stick with them. That's the discipline and things going through. But Diamante, yes, I have come to realize that a lot. Are you really, Diamante? Are you introverted? So yes, I do. Well, this is what this new strategy is. Yes. Very, yeah. And how about you? Okay, cool. So, yeah. Yes. So we are all in the same boat. Yeah, I was about to say, Diamante, I can't imagine you being super introverted. Oh my gosh, we have something happening. Have we stopped barcoding for 5 freaking seconds? Okay, let's see if something good happens now. Okay, maybe not. So I'm very much an introvert, so like when it comes to Fridays, when people are like, oh, you going out? I'm like, no, I'm staying in and watching. Ooh, I've been binge watching Bob's Burgers. I love it. Anyways. Okay, enjoy. I hope it's amazing. Good luck. Let me know what your Discord is. Maybe I can come and check it out one day when I get my Discord running. Yes. Yeah, you're going to. But Boom Banana, you must let me know what your Discord handle is. Is that what it's called? Name? Pretty sure I can look up Boom Banana and there'll be something there. Yeah, why not? There we go. I'll go and check it out. 100%. Like I said, yeah, we like to support each other, right? That's the hope. Boom Banana with 3 O's. Yes, 3. Cool. I'll go and have a look. Yeah, like I said, I like to believe that we are all here to help each other, right? So if I can help, I'll come and help. Yeah, do it. Send the link. Let's do it. Still haven't broken structure anywhere. Still waiting for that. Oh, I didn't put my little crossy over here. Y'all can see the fail that was that earlier. Oh well. Ah, thank you. Much appreciated. I'll definitely go and check it out. Still haven't broken anything there. Okay, cool. Perfect. I will do that. Do I like trading London or New York? Well, so far, I feel like I'm gonna upset some people by saying this. So far, I must say New York is a little bit better just because of the price action. Well, okay, last week it was fairly choppy. Last week, Friday, London was actually quite fun. Last week, Friday, New York was also really fun. I must say, so trading wise, let's break this down, shall we? Trading wise, New York, mostly because of the price action. Streaming wise, I mean, obviously we got the New York people, but I've been quite enjoying meeting all the new people here. Oh yeah, no, it's really bad right now. It's not great. Do we finally have... Nope, still haven't really broken structure. It's chip chopping all over the place. Oh really? Okay, see, then I will probably enjoy both, but right now this is like disgusting. If you look on ES, check out ES. ES is nearly a straight line. So today is just not great. Kinda just took this liquidity, but it hasn't broken further down. So theoretically there isn't really a break of structure yet. Wait, here we go. Do we finally have something? Oh my gosh, we do. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if there's something. Look, see? Like that. Yes, I do. Boom Banana, I do. Yeah, exactly. There we go. I think we need to say that more like, oh my gosh, there we go, finally. Okay. Probably do it from here. I'm having a look-see. Ah, there we go. You think so? I think we finally have a break of structure, thank heavens. But now, question is... No, looking to sell. Go with the market. Right, it's been bearish. So I should probably stick with bearish. This is the right point though. Probably be around there. Okay, can try 794. Hmm. 805 was better. Let's do 805. You think longs now, Alfred? I don't know. I feel like maybe after it's taken this liquidity, it might. I mean, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Let's have a look, Alfred. Let's see who's right. Where does this one take me to? One gets me a little bit closer, but obviously a little bit more risky. But it's right on that line. Okay, let's try that one. No, I think it's just gonna go down. Well, let's see. There's quite a decent... Okay. No, I do not trade ICT. I trade my own type of strategy. I know that sounds a bit dodgy, but okay, wait. Sorry, I have not read things because I was looking at things. Boom Banana. No, I was still looking for a short, which I hope is correct. I guess we'll find out soon enough. Once it takes this liquidity, I might have to reconsider though. True. Okay, that's true. Strategy says stay with the trend or the market structure, which is bearish. So stay with that. Yeah, I'm watching. As soon as it takes this, I will call it. I'm wondering if it's going to maybe come back up, I think. Oh, you're thinking buys. Interesting. Let me have a look here. There. Whoop. There's the liquidity sweep. It's still going down, so it hasn't swept liquidity on ES. But this little wick here makes me nervous. when it wicks like that, I mean. Like I said, the ES has not taken anything. Dementa, you have such controversial views. Yeah. A lot of people are gonna argue with that. Yeah. Well, let's still give it a go. Because it is definitely being held down on ES. Sorry, I doubted. I don't know if this is... I know, I'm doubting. Because of the wick down. Oh, liquidity provider. Okay, fingers and toes crossed. I mean, it is still bearish. There's not been a break of structure. You could always change this to a stop if it looks like it's going to start changing. It did. That's what the reversal is. It just, well. Oh, Diamante, you're gonna start fights. No, just, you are going to start fights. It tapped into an order block on ES, which means it is gonna go down. I didn't place it. But yes, I wanted to be in sell. I started doubting. It was silly. So SK, this is what I mean by stick to your rules. Man. Well done, liquidity provider. Well, let's see. You're still in, but... Yeah, I think I'm going to. Let's see if this would have been a win. I'm gonna keep my GAN open. Are you in a long boom banana? Okay, fingers and toes crossed. It looks like it's gonna go down. Liquidity's right there. Oh, there we go. Going. Oh, I asked if you're in a long right now. That's what I was asking. Are you in a trade or not? Oh, okay, okay. Okay, cool. I should have placed my trade. Damn it. Forgot to check ES. See, it just bounced off of an order block on ES, which was what that impulsion up was. And now it's going for the liquidity. Oh my gosh, liquidity provider, you still in this? No. Who? I'm gonna have to have a look at him. Ken Carson. Well done, well done. $733 incoming. Ooh, interesting. Oh my gosh, I should have placed the trade. Well, oh well, oh well. See, and this is why you must just listen to your rules. The setup was there. I didn't listen to the rules and I missed the trade. Can you see I'm still working on discipline? Oh, Diamante! Oh my gosh. You starting fights. I warned you, you have a very controversial opinion there. Just saying. Charles. Thanks, Charles. Took the liquidity on ES. Now there might be a bit of a reversal. Yep. Well, at least there's some momentum now, damn. Took the liquidity. I'm probably not going to put any more trades in for, well, I'm not going to say for today, for London. I'll be back for New York. I'm going to give it 3 more minutes. Let's see if this would actually reach and go. But I mean, it just took all that liquidity on ES and yeah. Yep. Yep. SMT respecting. Alfred, sorry, who is Ken Carson? Patience is key, and so is SK. Did you see that? Listening to your rules. I did not listen to my rules, and it resulted in me not taking a trade, which would have been a 2R winning trade. Which was fun. Anyways. When does patience kill all your profits? Yeah. I always acknowledge that I messed up. I'm practicing the discipline thing. I'm trying my best. I must say the discipline part is the most difficult. Who was in along? Someone was in along. Are they out of the long? Oh no. Oh, nice, Alfred. And where's your stop loss? Don't worry, a few people mentioned longs. It is what I have come to realize. Just stick with the market trend. I mean, obviously you're gonna get screwed when there's a break of structure. But if there hasn't been a break of structure, just stick with it. 734. Oh, nice. Okay, well, let's see if nice. So here's my setup again. Let's see, I'm gonna give it a minute or two. Let's see if this is the break of structure or if it would have melted again. But it did take all that liquidity. So. Ah, so you pulled a me. You pulled a me. I was looking at it going, oh, it did take all that liquidity now though, so... But that's why I chickened out of the last one, because it took a bit of liquidity and I thought, and it had this spike. Sometimes these spikes happen and then there's a reversal. What made me want to trade? That's a very good question. So, yeah, 100%. I'm now just putting it up, so I'm kind of forward testing, I guess. Yes and no. It's more to do with the independence. I think, yeah, the independence. So I have literally been working since I was 16 years old. Like at jobs and dealing, oh my gosh. Anyway, sorry. I had a look at what I was doing and was like, really? Yeah, and not having to always answer to people. Because I'm a very nice person, believe it or not. You can decide for yourself. And a lot of the times that gets taken for granted because I really struggle with saying no to people. So if they say, oh, can you just do this? I'll say, yeah, sure. Or, oh, can you just do this? Yeah, sure. Why not? So that I just get taken full advantage of. Which is not great because I'm a little bit of a people pleaser. So if I could just have something that's a little bit more independent, that would be amazing. Also, I ride horses. Those things are expensive. Do I trade full time? Yes and no. Yes and no. Mostly trading, but I'm also a personal trainer. But like I said, I've just moved down to the coast, so I'm gonna slowly start opening up like boot camps and things here, but that'll probably be on like the weekends. And okay, so that's would have been a losing trade. It looks like this is now a bit of a break of structure going on. And yeah. What do I train? The whole body? What do you mean by what do you train? Like people? Or... Yeah, no, this was it, well... Yeah, 100%. Alfred, well done. I'm sure you are looking happy chappy right now. Okay, but then I might call it now. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it now. I'm gonna be back for New York though. Guys, if you want to come and join in and meet all of the New York people, love it. Nice. Okay. But I will call it, if you guys don't mind smashing that like button, start to get more people in, that would be amazing. Does anyone long is now break even? Yes, probably. Now they're going, okay, we're good. We're good. Most likely. Oh, thanks, Alfred. Hopefully, I don't know, do you only trade London? If you only trade London, I'll see you tomorrow. If you trade New York as well, come join. I will be back for the New York Open. I will hopefully see you guys then. Hopefully. Fingers and toes crossed, okay. But I'll be back later. Yeah. So I love you guys madly, and I'll hopefully see you later. Love you, bye!